Those who are new on TikTok ndio maybe wako surprised. Otherwise we know from the word go ya kwamba TikTok gifts is always transferred to money. We know very well that how much a lion cost from the word go. Tunajua hiyo yote unless you are new. Well, nataka kuchangia kwa hii conversation. I do not see a problem when somebody or public knows how to convert TikTok coins to money. Sioni shida yoyote, and actually these things have been even in Google. Zimekuwa kwa Google, zimekuwa everywhere. You can easily go and check maybe how many coins can be transformed, or ukipatiwa lion unaweza withdraw how much. This is something that actually I don't see a problem being in public, because inafaa pia ya encourage watu wengine wengi pia wakuja. I don't see a problem with it. I however do not also agree with someone also presenting it from a point of jealousy. Wacha tufanye hii kazi kwa sababu tunataka kusaidiana, watu wakuwe wengi jameni kwa hii boka. Otherwise grace ya Mungu ni grace ya Mungu na favor ya God ni favor ya God. Nyako, ukianalyze watu tafadhali, nimekuwa kwa live yako ukiongelesha, ukiangalia kina Mwajuma and others and talking. You do not have to present this from a point of jealousy. You don't have to nye sijui nini like we are fighting. Nobody is fighting, Nyako. You have had your time of grace. You have had your time of shining. You have been one of the best person ambaye ame benefit kwa hii app. Nobody has ever asked you a question from point of jealousy. We actually supported you. Sometimes yes, unawezaona yes unatusaidia, unawezaona kama unatupiga, but for a fact for sure hakuna nyote ya mtu inaweza sima kwa sababu umesema. Well, I saw you saying that sasa kazi imeharibika, sijui ni nini, sijui they are bitter because I'm speaking these things out. People who gift us actually know that they gift us money. Those people who buy lions, they know that they buy that lion more than, it's almost 50,000 by the way ukinunua na pesa ya Kenya, na anajua kabisa amenunua apatie Githaiga. So those actually the gifters know that yes, Githaiga is making money out of my lion. Yeah, wale ambao una maybe una trigger is people who do not gift because they do not know maybe how to buy gifts or how maybe to gift probably. But please let us not present this from a point of jealousy. I however do not see a problem with that conversation, because yes, watu wanafaa kukua wengi huku kwa tap. Hakuna makazi, na mwache kutuambia vitu mingi. Hakuna makazi, mtu atafute pesa na njia ile anaweza. Mungu akikupea favor ya tap tafadhali come and utilize it well, make money. There is no dignity in poverty. There is no dignity in poverty. Watu watengeneze pesa. Boss can congratulations kukua huko top huko UK. I actually want more Kenyans to be top of the ranking in Africa. There is no reason why they should not be. No, everybody wakuje to tap. This TikTok is so big and it is for everybody. Tuko na watu wengi sana, millionaires of subscribers, so many people.